everyone needs to come and get one of these. Sounds good. That's crazy. It's electric and sounds like that. It's crazy. This does not drive like an electric car. That's crazy. I've driven my fair share of Teslas. This thing is.
Yeah.
Bro. Yo, it's like futuristic, but with a with like a muscle car sound. This thing is beautiful. Wow. Wow.
Yeah.
Yo, like nothing, man. And then you're just right back to cruising. That's crazy. That's crazy. Do I got enough room after this light to click this button?
I would say save it for the freeway.
Oh, we're getting on the freeway? Okay, gladly. Yeah. Okay, gladly. Yeah. Gladly. This thing is wild. Did they try to like... Oh God. Snapping, bro. Snapping. Dude, this thing is so nice. Man, I've had 3, I think.
Dang.
I had a 2006, first year I bought. Then I had a 2012 and a 2015.
Right up here.
Every single time, I got rid of them. Got a new car. And still, I'm like, why did I do that to myself? And then finally got another one. And then eventually would trade them in and get a new one. And then all 3 of them, every single time, I'm like, why did you do that?
Why didn't I learn?
I didn't learn the first time. I didn't learn the second time. I'm learning the third. If I get my hands on another charger, I'm not letting it go.
And then also, if you want to click that power shot once we make a right.
I'm nervous. I'm like, yeah. No, speed up, Mr. Mercedes. No, do I have to turn it off? Okay, I'm gonna try again. Okay. Here we go. Oh, let me in, people. Oh, excuse me, I sneezed. Oh, that was amazing. Wow. Wow.
We'll get off on Elliot. It'll be the next one if you try to weave.
This is crazy. I haven't been this impressed by a car in a long time. This is the Charger you want. Like, this is literally like I'm picking. He said, "You want to drive a Charger?" I said, "Yes, I'd love to. Yeah, it's my favorite car. I'd love to." But then now it's like this has all the features on the Charger.
Yeah, exactly.
More responsive throttle, better handling. It's beautiful. Beautiful. I wasn't sure when you first came and got me. When I first read about the electric ones coming out, I didn't know how I was gonna feel. I feel much different now, dude. Oh man, I want one. That was wild. I've had 3 different Chargers. The first one I got was a 2006, then I had a 2012, I had a 2015, and nothing is like this. Nothing. It was fun. You step on the gas, it makes you laugh. It's fast. It handles great. I mean, there's absolutely nothing to be disappointed about. It sounds cool. Like, it sounds like a drag car that's electric. It's futuristic. It's wild, man. It's crazy. The two-door looks good. It's clean. How fast it is. How fast it is. The handling, really. The turning is beautiful. The responsiveness is beautiful. I mean, it's just, the throttle's great. As soon as you push the gas, it's right power. There's no delay. There's no lag. There's no, gas cars is all electric, but you always have a delay. But this thing was, everything about it was snappy. The brakes are snappy, the gas is snappy, it turns, handles on a dime. One of the funnest cars I think I've ever driven. Everyone needs to come and get one of these, especially if you're like me and you're a Charger fan, then this is it. This is it. The two-door threw me off at first, but I don't care. You could give me no doors. I'll crawl through the window to drive this.